In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically assign tickets in Jira Service Management. This process can help streamline your workflow by ensuring that tickets are consistently directed to the right team members, allowing for more efficient management and faster response times. Let's start by going into your Jira settings, which is a critical step for gaining access to the system-wide configurations you'll need. Once there, look for the System option and give it a click. This is where you'll find the set of tools that enables you to manage global automations across your entire Jira instance. Now that we're in the right place, navigate to the Automation section and from there select Global Automation. This part of the system allows you to create rules that can be applied across all projects and services, ensuring broad coverage and consistency in how tickets are managed. Next, it's time to actually create the automation rule that will drive ticket assignments. Click on Create Rule. This step is essentially where you'll begin crafting the logic that defines when and how tickets should be assigned. At this point, you'll need to choose a trigger for your rule. The trigger is the event that will kick off the rule. For our purposes, we're going to select Issue Transitioned. What this means is that the rule will come into play whenever a ticket changes status, say when it moves from open to in progress. Once the trigger is set up, it's time to add an action. In this step, you'll want to select Assign Issue. This action is directly linked to specifying who will receive the ticket once it meets the criteria set by your trigger. With the action defined, the next part involves choosing your assignment method. This could be done in various ways, but for simplicity, we're going to assign the tickets to a specific user. By assigning all tickets to a designated agent, you essentially ensure that responsibility is clear and that the right person receives the task right away. After deciding on the assignment method, click on Next to proceed. You're almost done, and this step is essentially about reviewing the rule you've put together to make sure everything is set up correctly. Finally, you'll want to activate the rule by clicking Turn on Rule. Doing this enables the automation, making sure the tickets are now automatically assigned to the designated person whenever they transition to the specified status. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an automatic ticket assignment in Jira Service Management, a small step that can make a significant difference in improving your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.